Uthimi wa andu kimumu matuura-ini matiganite guothe bururi-ini uthiite na mbere kuruta mbica iyo uria maundu makoretwo makihiririe bururi-ini kumana na utambia wa murimu wa COVID-19. Guku namba ya andu aria manyitikanite na murimu uyu ithiite na mbere kwambatira na gikiro kinene kaunti-ini cia Nairobi na Mombasa. Ituura ria Eastleigh guku Nairobi na ria Old Town kaunti-ini ya Mombasa ikioneka gukorwo ikuite mburi ta thaa. Kuna riu ni ciri na namba nene muno ya arwaru a murimu uyu gukiringithanio na matura mangi bururi-ini.
We have identified some epicenters where the numbers have continued to grow. These are especially Eastleigh in Nairobi and Old Town Mombasa. The situation in those areas has now become of serious concern.
Hari andu 47 aria manyitikanite na murimu uyu umuthi. Atano ni ituura ria Eastleigh guku Nairobi undu uria ukinyithitie andu 68 aria manyitikanite na murimu uyu guku. Riri ituura ria Old Town kaunti-ini ya Mombasa riandikithitie arwaru 18 umuthi na gukinyithia arwaru 57. Macungiririo thirikari ikianiriria kuhinga matura maya ta njira ya guthaitira utambia wa murimu uyu.
It therefore means that movement within those areas, when you are going to buy something, when you are going to unnecessary outing for a few people, if you are going to shop, then you can do so. What you cannot do is to leave the area to go to another area.
Mikawa umwe na thoko ciothe ire matura-ini mayo nacio ni ciathitwo kuhingwo kwa ihinda ria thiku 15 ciukite. Guku uthimi wa andu kimumu na uria wambiriirie kiumia kihituku utanyitwo guthie na mbere.
This cessation of movement is essential to protect those within those areas and those in the rest of the towns from infection.
Undu uyu ukite uriri namba ya arwaru a COVID-19 yongererekete na andu angi 47 na gukinyithia andu 581 bururi-ini. Riri andu 8 mahetwo rutha kuma thibitari-ini thutha wao kuhona. Guku namba ya ikuo nayo yongererekete na andu 2 na gukinyithia ikuo 26 bururi-ini.
We have got one patient in Kenyatta National Hospital who traveled from Tanzania through Loitoktok, traveled with matatus, etc., and is now in Kenyatta National Hospital. This person did not come through the border points, but came through Panya routes. Now, the problem with this is that the citizens, as I have said before, we Kenyans, the people in those areas, are the ones who should actually have reported the sighting of this gentleman.
Na rita njira ya kuguciriria andu aingi gwitikira kwiyumiria niguo guthimwo murimu uyu. Riu thirikari ni yaniriire kweheria marihi mothe ma guthimwo undu umwe na kuigua keheri kwa aria maribataraga. Makiria thutha wa andu aingi kurega kwiyumiria guthimwo ni gwitigira marihi maya. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.